change the half cassette awning fabric, the first step is to remove the awning from the sides of the structure by removing the bolts from the mounting brackets and carefully removing the awning and housing. Once the awning is removed, completely open the awning on the ground. In the front of the awning, remove the stop clamp from the groove on both sides, then remove the ballast fabric. And the awning spline cord from the fabric spline. Remove the bolts and screws from the awning arms, disconnecting the arms from the channel. Next, remove the Allen bolts connecting the awning housing and the bolts on the frame to separate the two halves. Remove the awning roller from the housing unit and the fabric from the roller. Remove the awning spline cords on both ends of the fabric. Feed the awning spline cords through the new awning fabric. Then feed the fabric through the channel in the front of the bracket of the awning. Additionally, feed the front-facing fabric through the other channel and secure both with stop clamps on each side. At this point, you can feed the fabric into the main roller and secure with the roller end cap. Reinstall the housing over the awning roller and secure with all the bolts and screws. Reattach the awning arms, but secure the bolts loosely into the channel. This will allow the awning to retract completely. Retract the awning and reinstall to the structure. Completely open the awning. Tighten the arm bolts in the front bracket and enjoy the shade throughout the summer.